Uh-huh.
That woman is sitting on the back of a rice tractor and the white man picking up some bags.
Yeah, let's go see. Let's go closer.
Okay. Make that here, man. Make that be go the right there. Look, there's white man coming to other side here.
Yeah. You remember where we go? Where is our land? See our new road. Let's go there.
Look, baby, that's right there, new pool.
They like their new pool, yeah.
They are so happy about swimming on their new pool. Oh, here are my tools.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Thì con mặc áo khác chưa con? Mẹ thích ra nước cho.
Go, go, go,
Cho
go.
nước ra trên trời cho đổ hết. Em cái áo của con này con.
You don't want to go. Go, 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 go. Uh-huh. We have to cover this hole. Hey, what's happening in there? Let's go to the shade of the grass.
Ôi con mày mò cả nước.
Okay, yeah. I just checked my flower if it's still alive. Is it still alive?
Yes.
It's not dead yet. We have to remember to water my flower.
Jim, the soda's always Jim. He soda Jim.
Yeah, here is soda. Who is there? Two girls are there. What is in her basket? What she has in her basket?
Đi, chơi gì bán đi với.
What she's got in her basket?
Mày đi vô.
He got orange.
Oranges. Oh no.
Oh yeah, there's rice.
Let's go check it out.
Coi chừng đạp ba cái đầu ấy hết.
Look, there's rice tractor.
Rice tractor. Rice harvester. It's harvesting rice.
He makes all apples.
And this is elephant grass.
Oh yeah. Jim, be careful with mother's hand.
Where is tomato? They die. It's too hot for tomato. Have to plant near.
The hobby tours are working yet now.
Okay, yes, let's go closer. Let's go closer. Follow grandmother.
Look, baby duck is going down there.
Yeah,
Look,
ducks are.
that is making some rice.
Yeah, they are harvesting. Go further.
They are harvesting some rice.
Yeah. Harvester is going far away.
Yes, look, the harvester make grass go away, then there's water.
It's cutting grass and then water will come. They will pump water from somewhere, or is it rainwater? I don't know.
Rainwater.
Yeah.
Going to find more back.
It's a back carrier tractor and the other one is harvester tractor. Can you see the back carrier?
Yes, and I can see the harvester. harvester far away.
Harvester is going far away and then soon it will come back here. It's just a back carrier tractor coming back. Yeah. Harvester, oh yeah, it's the harvester. Oh yeah. It's dumping rice or grass into water. Oh, it should be putting it in the back. Man is walking on the rice field. He is checking the backs.
Tim is so sour, I can eat.
It's so sour and it's so juicy. Juice is coming into your fingers.
And juice go in my mouth with lemon.
Yeah, it's going into your mouth with lemon.
Oh no, it's so sour.
Sour, but it's delicious. Is it delicious?
No.
No. But you are still eating.
Back harvester's coming back with harvester.
Yeah.
And harvester carriers coming back with harvester.
Back carrier.
Back carrier.
Harvester tractor and back carrier tractor.
Look, it's the harvester.
Oh, it's going to hit us. Oh no. Ah.
Look, it's turning to white demon.
Yeah. Man managed to stop it in time so it won't hit us. Otherwise would be bad.
We have to go home. Thank the here, demon.
No, it's okay. Man can control the harvester very well.
Look, that is coming to us. We better go home.
You want to go home?
Yes.
No, it's not going to hit us. Be careful, woman's plants are growing there. Bougainville. Okay. No, it's not going to hit us. It's far away there. Let me check if my Bangkok rose is doing well, or do I need to give it more water?
No, it's going better.
It's going better.
Look, your Bangkok rose is look, your flowers, the flowers.
Yeah, flowers. Oh no, it's
your flower has grown big.
it's dry. I think it's almost dead, but there are some new leaves coming out and stems coming out.
Look, the harvester is coming to hit their mama and mama.
not going to hit them. Man can control it very well.
Oh yeah, yeah, man control it right.
Yeah, man
Yeah,
can
then we
control it.
can go to right and cut right.
Black beans, mung beans, some other beans, and there is a citrus tree behind them or in the middle of them. Yeah, I think it's slightly behind them. Yeah, actually, yes. Shouldn't be a problem, but I should be clearing some of the beans away. I haven't been digging as much as I was doing during the previous years because I have some other projects. The most important of them being Eric, my son. Only one banana at a time should be growing here. There is a durian tree behind there, inside the house actually, growing very slowly. And clitoria beans climbing on the roof. There's a special metal net for them, and there are some sticks, bamboo sticks, that I am mounting and helping them to grow further. Spread around the place, that's my dream. And here is the biological water cleaning station number 2. And there under the blue plastic there is another durian tree, and I am growing bananas around them to provide enough shade for them. Shade of banana will be much better than shade of plastic. And my banana path or banana tunnel is getting better. Some of them may be growing a little bit too close to each other. Last year all of them were growing on the right here, and this was a jungle that we couldn't walk through, but it's been cleared since that. And I am going to continue elevating this ground so that it won't be left under waters, flood waters, for a long time at least. This is the bridge, and on the right there is the fish toilet. I can't see too many fish in the water there, but this is going to be biological cleaning station number 1. Number 2 is further there, that we just saw. Trying to grow multiple plants, multicultural vegetation. Here is the fish toilet that is being used. And more plants, flowers, bougainville mostly, and some Bangkok roses are being grown on the property of my wife's grandparents. This narrow strip was mine. We bought it a few years ago. And here is the latest swimming pool project. Water tank is going to be mounted next to it and probably painted black, so it will be act as a water heater. The black plastic is going to act as a solar water heater, solar heater of the room, of the swimming pool room, or it is bathroom for Eric and myself. And there is the pump that I am just mounting. I tested that it's working, so I am going to use it to clean the water and also warm. Pump it through long pipes that are heated by the sun, so the water inside them will be heated as well. And one of the rabbits is still alive, having quite comfortable big cage. He has a cave where he is hiding, but now he is there. He has been carrying some food for him there on the sand. Probably this is the coolest spot of the place. Yeah. Usually I place food on top of this hut, so it will be higher, not messed by his poo. Okra is going to grow back, and some other climbing plants and other plants as well. I'm going to feed this to the rabbit, already doing it slowly. I am composting the waste of the rabbit in here. The bike project is still on the to-do list, making it better and better. The front gear is too small, it's too light to pedal when I am using the engine to assist it. So I will, next time I go to the town, I will buy a bigger gear and pay to the guys so they can install it for me.
Mouse.
What is that? Is it Minnie Mouse? The girl mouse?
Yes.
Is it the girl mouse? It's
Mimi the
Minnie.
girl
Minnie.
mouse.
This
This is a Mimi of a girl mouse, and this is a boy mouse.
boy mouse is Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse is boy mouse.
And where is the duck?
Here.
Here, he is Donald Duck.
And what is this? It's toy mouse.
It's a toy mouse, yes.
And toy mouse has many clocks.
Oh yeah, many clocks.
And
Blocks, many blocks.
And Mona Duck make a beach so mouse can swim.
They can swim,
Look,
yeah.
Minnie Mouse is swimming in the pool, and boy mouse
Mickey Mouse is boy mouse.
Ah, yeah. The boy mouse is watching a Minnie Mouse swimming.
Ah, can you see any letters in your paper?
Yes.
What letters you can see?
Number 4, number 1, number 7, and numbers are in there. Look.
Oh yeah.
Number 4.
Number 4 is on this block.
And what comes number 4? Number 7.
Number 7 is on this block, okay.
Look, 7 is on this brown clock.
On this brown, or is it yellow, or what color is that?
It's white yellow.
White yellow, bright
And
yellow.
here what comes 7. Oh, number 1.
Number 1, okay.
And what comes number 1? What comes after 1? 6.
This is number 6, okay.
And what comes after 6? 3.
3, yeah.
And comes after
3 comes
6.
6 again.
Oh no, number 8.
Number 8.
And what comes after 3? Number 6. Number 8. And what comes after 3? Number 8.